sue us for royalty. This slip. So if you're new to this channel, we go on motor camping and outdoor adventure videos. So make sure you subscribe for more content like this. It's not always about the destinations, but sometimes it's about the journey itself. I was tired of not exploring at all. I wanted to explore these beautiful roads for myself. Look at them. They're magical. Who wouldn't want to take a walk in these beautiful green carpets? So let's take a long road trip and enjoy a camping cookout. So I took my Royal Enfield on a scenic road trip to a not so famous hidden location that's 200 kilometers away from my home. This is a hidden gem you guys will see along the video. My motorbike was so heavily packed for the first time. I'm finally putting my motorcycle to use for what it's actually built for. Long road trip. Finally, some off-road. This is how it looks according to Google. This is off-season, completely off-season right now. I hope it's a good place for photography and all. Check out our last video of how we hiked along these beautiful hills. This slipper is not actually doing its job. These guys slipping each and every time. I'm having a hard time holding my camera. Insta360 is the easiest camera to hold. Okay, no more steep fall. Look at that vertical climb. Someone's trying to imitate monkeys. Oh guys, this is huge. This is bigger than I thought. Look at this video. Okay. Okay, we're gonna reach the other side. Bring everyone in a gang to the jungle so that you will know who is the weirdest one. All this time, I used to be the weirdest one. Look at this guy. He just joined the club. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Snoop Dogg it. You have the Bluetooth speaker, right?
Yeah.
I hope we don't get copyright for singing along.
Like this, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost like that only.
Singing with our own voice.
Similar to
Snoop Dogg is going to sue us for royalty.
yeah.
This one time bro was singing, imitating bird sounds. The next time he ended up singing Snoop Dogg's Wiggle Wiggle song.
Thank you.
I feel